All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got this problem here. It's a multiple choice problem. And every time you have a multiple choice problem, you should be thinking about reducing your choices and everything. So the first thing we have a problem that we have r minus k over 5, and we're squaring this. Now, the first thing, what most kids will do, and we don't want you to do that, is just square both of these right off the bat and think that's the answer. And truthfully, and I know as a teacher, most kids, when they see fractions like this, are just going to throw it down the toilet. Forget it. But these are somewhat easy problems to do. So the first thing, if there's a square, I'm going to write it down twice, because that visually, that's a 5 right there. That's what we're doing. Now the only thing is, see, a negative times a negative is a positive. So that means at the end, the answer is going to be positive. See, this answer is negative and this answer is negative. So I'm throwing these two out right off the bat. It's one of the other two. And the thing is, if you know from your algebra teachers, if these signs are the same, you're going to be combining some stuff. Which tells me right off the bat, it's not that answer, it's going to be this one. But now if I do this and use the distributive property, r times r is r squared. Now we got r times k over 5. And what you see, like I tell my kids, what you see, you write down. I see rk, a minus rk over 5. That's what I see. And I see the same thing here. I see a kr, so I got another minus. Now this is kr over 5, but rk and kr are the same. I mean, 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 2. And the last thing is we're taking minus times minus here. We're doing this and this. So it's going to be plus k times k is k squared on top. And then 5 times 5 is 25 on the bottom. So I'm looking, where am I seeing? See, right off the bat, it's not that answer. See, I already know what the answer is. I don't even have to go any farther than this, because this is going to be negative 2 of them. But see, that's that answer right there. I'm going to have something. So this one I'm throwing out 2, and this is the correct answer there. All I'm going to say is use the distributive property or the FOIL method, as you know. Go slow through it. And anytime you have multiple choice, try to throw out answers you know are false. We don't want you guys guessing. 25% shot is terrible. If it's a 50%, 1 out of 2, at least you got a chance. So the answer to this problem is letter C.